And this is number 11 on the Unit 8 quiz. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFD, find the area of the larger figure and x. The first thing I'm going to need to do here is find the linear ratio. Because I'm given the lengths of the corresponding side here and here, my ratio will be 11 over 33. Always reduce that fraction if possible. That reduces to 1 over 3. I can then use that ratio to set up a proportion to solve for x. 11 is the smaller side, so I look at the side that is with that, which is 12, and that has to go on top, over x is from the bigger one, the bigger triangle, so that goes on bottom with the bigger number over here. Then we cross multiply, and I get x is equal to 36. Whoops, that's just going to be x, not the area. So no, now let's find the area. If we have the linear ratio, I need to find the area ratio. To do that, I have to square the linear ratio. So that will be 1 over 9. Then I can set up a proportion using my area ratio of the areas of the two triangles. Since the smaller triangle has an area of 64, I need to find the larger one. Again, the 64 goes on top because that's smaller and 1 is smaller than 9. So when I cross multiply here, I'm going to end up with x is equal to 576.